Hey everybody, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration Channel. Here at the 13th annual Charlie Craig Cruise In, Gastonia, North Carolina. Cars are still coming in. Beautiful October day. Still rolling in. Car show is going to be a big one this year. Going to be a big one. Guys are enjoying the day. Very beautiful here. Got a Daytona down there with the wing on it, if you look way down in the distance. Trying not to be too shaky as I walk. Lots of cars. Doesn't take long for this show to fill up. Just cruise in. Anything and everything. People showing off their vehicles. Some for sale, some not. The idea. All right. Nice Camaro. As you can see, she goes on even farther. Take it easy, guys.